Check it out, guys. It's an egg. That's right, it's an egg. And I'm out here with the egg. And we're going to fly it around for a minute. Because I want to check to see if you can fly this thing without the app. I'm working on it. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, I love this thing. Now, I'm not sure what the 3 modes are here. I forgot, okay? I got to look that up in the manual. Yeah, so yeah, you can fly this thing without the app. All right, so that's good to know, right? Now, it's not recording anything as far as I know. I don't think it auto records. Oh, okay, so but the camera does spin around, so I'm trying to figure out where the head is. I think it's up. I think it's that way. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it is. Okay. So it's where the button is where the head is. That's where you want to put the camera. But you can rotate the camera around, so, but you want to put it over there to the head. And that would be right there, which it's, let me bring it up some, and then the legs will come up. There, you got to get the legs up there. All right. But yeah, you can fly it without the app. It's just a weird ass thing. It kicks up, believe me, this thing kicks up tons of ground. Okay, did you see when I went over there, all that stuff? It throws out tons of thrust. Okay, because this thing is heavy, so it has a giant motors on it. Believe me, this thing kicks out some serious amounts of air. Okay, believe it. It's windy out here, but when you get up next to this thing, it's even worse, okay? It's all the wind from the props. And that gimbal sticks too. That's another problem I have with this thing. It's a little sticky. Sometimes you gotta, when you fly it, you gotta unstick it. And then it's hard to get it set where you want it because it overshoots. You got to fart around with it a little bit to get the gimbal set where you want it. Now, I don't know if it'll record, but I'll try it. Okay, so it vibrated, the controller vibrated when I hit the record button. So maybe it'll work a little bit, who knows. I like how that landing automatically deploys. That's pretty cool. The camera just kind of goes wherever the heck it wants to go, okay? So it always was a little jacked up. It always did stick. I mean, you can get it to stop sticking. You just got to get over there and play with it for a minute. You'll get it going, you know, you'll get it unstuck. But as far as the part where you as far as trying to get it to center back to the home point, okay, well there it is. That's pretty close right there. There's the Powervision label, and then there's the camera. So that's about as close as you're going to get it. That's what makes this thing hard to fly when you're not using the app, is trying to judge which way it's going here. Sometimes a little tricky. You know, the head, trying to figure out where the head is because of the way this camera goes. Now, like I said, I'm not sure what these modes are, so I'm not going to mess with it because I did get it in the air. I mean, the pitch seems pretty good, so this must be N, must maybe normal. There's P, N, and E, and I'm in N. So I actually got it to take off and fly around, so I'll just leave it in there because who knows if I hit one of them other buttons, what's going to happen. It may take off somewhere, so I don't want that, right? Alright guys, I just wanted to check it out and run it a little bit. But yeah, the battery is still strong in here. Yeah, it's working really good. Wow. I like how that just stopped like that. That was pretty cool. Wow, yeah, I'm digging that. Let me stop the video. Okay. Wow. Love it. It's an egg, a flying egg monster. All right, guys, there you go. I just wanted to see if you could fly that thing without the app, and you can. So, yeah, works out great. Have a nice day.